Hello, Nokomis neighbors. Nate Lansing here. Well, it's Thursday. It's time for our weekly market update for what's going on in the housing market here in the Nokomis area. Good news, it is not 100 plus degrees out here. Bad news, it smells like a campfire. So I hope everyone is staying safe with this crazy bad air quality that we're getting right now. But thank goodness the heat has ended, at least for a couple of days. So let's take a look at what's going on in the housing market for the Nokomis area over the past week or so, and kind of try to get an idea what might happen as we head into late summer. So as of today, Thursday, July, 29th, there are 63 active listings in the Nokomis area, down from last week. We were at about 72-ish. So some of those houses that were on the market last week have since sold, but still much more to look at than we've seen in the past 6 months or so. Over the past 7 days, we've seen 27 new listings hit the market. That's way down from last week. Last week we had 40. So we had a little, bump in listing activity last week. This week down a little bit. Of those 27 houses that hit the market, 7 are already gone. That's 26% of those houses that hit the market over the past 7 days have already sold. That number, I'll say it again, is way down from where we were earlier in the spring. So while it is still a super low inventory market environment, houses are still selling really, really quickly. It's not the craziness that we saw earlier in the year with 15 offers and $100,000 over asking. So I know everyone kind of has this thought of the market is still as nuts as it was 3 or 4 months ago. It's really not. So if you took some time off from shopping for a home just because you thought it was too nuts, now might be a good time for you to get back into the market. The mortgage rates are still extremely low. I saw today, according to Freddie Mac, the average for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage is at 2.8%. You can still take advantage of those really, really low rates. And now there are some more homes for you to look at as opposed to, 3 or 4 months ago. So, if you sat out, now might be a time to get back into the market. We're only going to see rates rise as the economy improves through the end of the year. So, now might be a really good time for you to look at trying to buy a house. So that's a quick update on where we are with the market here in the Nokomis area. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'd be happy to help any way I can, buying, selling, whatever. Otherwise, I hope everyone has a great week, and I will be back when it's August. Man, time is flying. Have a great week, everyone.